owacho marango kepo kendo keno mar pi. National Water Harvesting and Storage Authority notim negi nonro mar chal mar tich mong'ere ni performance evaluation kama ne giketie gi oraka mag tich e romo mane otelnegi jalup jatend piny migepe Eliud Owalo. Nonro makamano ne rango tij duolno kotenre kod chenro mar piny owacho mar uchumi mar bottom up kabende ging'iyo kepo keno kod keyo mar pi mondo omi ober weche mag pur pacho kae. Walo bende omedo ni ok nyal geno mana kuom pi koth kende to nyaka los chenro mamoko mag yudo kendo kano pi.
You are aware that our overall development agenda is pegged on the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. And within that, agriculture is an integral component, a standalone thematic area. We did say when we came into government that as opposed to subsidizing consumption, we would subsidize production. And our target in this regard was agriculture, because one of the challenges we were grappling with when the fifth administration came into being was the high cost of living.
And we have done a number of dams which are in the pipelines, in designs. We are doing also in Koru Dam, which I had initially told you because of some funding issues. It is suspended, but we hope it to resume soon. We are also doing the Uma Dam in Kitui, and a number of dams we are subjecting to PPP. We are also controlling floods along River Nyando and in Soya River in Budalangi, where the president was in the other day launching the extension of dikes to block the lake back